In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel or replace your Bank of America debit card the right way. By the end, you'll know exactly what to check, who to contact, and how to wrap things up securely without affecting your checking account unless you choose to. Start by looking at your current account balance and confirming that any pending transactions have cleared. Pending charges are transactions that have been authorized but haven't fully posted yet, things like a recent grocery run or a gas station hold. Give those time to settle so you don't interrupt payments or throw off your available balance. Once those items have moved from pending to posted, you're in a clean position to proceed. Next, choose how you want to cancel or replace the card. You have two straightforward options. You can call customer service using the number on the back of your card or the one listed on the bank's official website. When you call, be ready to verify your identity. They may ask for details like recent transactions or other security information to confirm it's really you. Alternatively, you can visit a local financial center and speak with a banker in person. Bring a valid ID and expect a quick conversation to confirm your request and your account details. In either case, you're asking for the same outcome, so pick the route that's most convenient for you. When you're connected with a representative, clearly request a deactivation or a replacement of your debit card. Deactivation stops the old card from being used. If you still need ongoing access to your checking account, ask for a replacement card to be issued. If your card was lost, stolen, or you suspect fraud, make that clear so they can expedite the process and monitor for unauthorized activity. Once your new card arrives, you can activate it and set a new PIN if needed. It's also a good idea to update any recurring payments you've set up with the old card so those subscriptions or bills continue without interruption. After your account is closed to that card or a new card has been issued, destroy the old card. Don't just toss it. Cut through both the chip and the magnetic stripe so the card can't be read or pieced back together, then dispose of the pieces separately. A quick reminder, unlike credit cards, there's nothing to pay off on a debit card since it pulls directly from your checking account. Also, cancelling the card does not close your checking account. If you ever want to close the account itself, that's a separate request you'd need to make.